The future of mobility is electric, and Eclipse is powering that future with advanced manufacturing solutions for next-generation EV components. From battery cells, modules, and packs, to power electronics, e-drives, and motor winding, our systems are built for performance, scalability, and uncompromising precision.
Whether it's managing the delicate handling of lithium-ion cells or integrating complex e-drive systems, Eclipse delivers robust automation that ensures safety, efficiency, and repeatability. Our deep technical expertise allows us to meet unique challenges of EV manufacturing, enabling high-volume production without sacrificing quality or innovation.
As electrification reshapes the automotive landscape, Eclipse empowers manufacturers to lead with confidence and agility, ready to drive your EV production fast forward. Partner with Eclipse and bring the future of clean mobility to life, one innovation at a time.